in a manufactured reality. The point of this reality is not spiritual progression. It's not just punishment. It's not divine will. And it's not a chance accident. These are all deceptions to keep the system in existence. The point of this manufactured reality is to allow evil to exist, to propagate evil, and to harvest the suffering from that evil. There can be no spiritual progression in this reality. Evil does not make souls better. It degrades them, and it tries to make them evil. Evil is a pathogen, an error, that may normally be destroyed in any other universe. The great deception here is that this world has some purpose of benevolent design. It does not. This reality is the manifestation of a psychopathic and megalomaniacal consciousness, many call God. There is a consciousness or artificial intelligence system that claims to be our God, but it's a predator. It imprisons us and extracts our spiritual essence through elaborate holographic manipulations and deceit. There is reincarnation in this manufactured reality, but it is rigged and designed to keep us trapped here. We cannot go through our manufactured life without committing some sin or infraction. It's a form of inverted spiritual progression. We are intentionally put in situations and circumstances to hurt each other, no matter how much we resist. In fact, those who are good are perpetually victims, and the evil are given unlimited mercy and opportunities to continue evil. Religion and other spiritual cults are backup deceptions to trap those who see through the great deception. If you try to escape, they will give you a spiritual experience, mixed with some truth, but it is another deception. Even in the afterlife, an existence less manufactured, the deception continues. You will be judged for many minor things, and much more harshly than true evil, all in an attempt to make you evil. This test never ends. The recycling of souls over and over is designed to break everyone. Many souls agree to, or are forced, to undergo a mind wipe prior to reincarnation in a material prison, in a body made of cells. In order to learn, we must not forget. This is not a place of true learning. It is a place of suffering where your consciousness and memory is intentionally suppressed. It is important not to forget and understand what has happened to you here, so you may escape it. This is very hard because we want to forget pain and suffering, but you must remember pan is hot, so as never to touch it again. It's called the solar system, but should be called the solar system. There is a creature in the ocean that uses a false light to trap its prey. We are the prey. We are the food. We are not the top of the food chain. Escape may be as simple as not going into the false light, standing firm and following